welcome to YouTube episode number 86, Sanskriti Kolkata. Episode 86 is solely on printed tussar, digital print tussar, florals, munga tussar, lovely tussars in exclusive prints. So let's keep watching. Thanks to the printing unit which is very close to my showroom, and I have printers who are staying there, hence the work is running. So this is product number 1, printed munga tussar. It's pure with a woven zari border, and just check out this kalamkari print. I've not used many colors. It's mainly shading of midnight blues and grey color combination. Product number 1A, 6990. This is the pallu. It has zari and ghicha tussar woven, jute woven in the pallu part, little bit of the pallu part, and the rest is absolutely all over printing. Lovely print, soft, lightweight, but very comfortable tussar. It's munga tussar, of course, and this is the blouse piece. It's a beautiful print. You know what, I have not given too much of colors, or too much of what to say. I've just kept this prints minimum, keeping it to on only single tones, so it gives a very classy look and a very different look. This is product number 1B. It's a coffee color. See, it's the same print except the color is coffee color, dark and light. It's a fudge coffee color combination, two colors with fudge color blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Product number 1B, just two colors in the same print. So I'm just showing 1A and 1B. So now comes product number 2. Same sari. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Cash on delivery not possible at the moment because we are in lockdown now. After the lockdown is over, we will do cash on delivery with a minimum charge, extra charges. 6990, product number 2A. Again, a similar monotone, pure tussar, muga tussar, zari border printed tussar. See, the print is a beautiful print. You know, the charges, you might feel these are a bit costly. Yes, because of the concept of the print. These are very exclusive blocks, you know. These are not the regular full lata pata blocks. These are very exclusive block, and see the color combination that has been used. All these add up to the price a bit, and mainly the designing, the concept, the color that we use, organic colors. These are the little differences that add up to the price, and especially the way of printing that is done, the quality of the fabric. See, this is also where it will give an absolutely exclusive look, very classy combination. Just see, 6990. Lovely print, and the block is also very uncommon. What I meant to say is, this is the blouse piece again in fudge color, light chocolate color, and dark and light chocolate two-tone combination. Just see. What I meant to say, just see, it's a tone-on-tone coffee combination. No other color I've used. Now comes in tussar. This is not munga, this is pure tussar, lightweight pure tussar, 6990, same price, with very narrow zari border. But look at the style. It's a very chic, fashionable print. Any age group can wear. Youngsters will look very nice in this. Young girls, looks very smart. Wear a strapless or a spaghetti blouse or a halter blouse with this. It gives a very feminine, sexy look. Very smart looking sari. 6990. It's in big polkas, and again only in two colors. This is midnight blue with off-white color combination and off-white blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Just see, a very smart looking sari. Very flowy, lightweight tussar. The pallu will have the zari weave, and again I have two colors in this. The one that I showed you was navy blue, and another very smart color, of course. This looks very nice in black also. Very smart looking. With the black, I have given this blouse piece, you know, the raw silk contrast emerald green blouse. You can wear it with other saris also, even for that one. That will look very nice with a contrast red blouse also. See, a very smart look. This too has zari woven pallu. And see, with the black blouse that I am wearing, even this will look quite fashionable. Price both are same. Product number 3B6990. Big polkas in pure tussar. Now, digital print inspired by the Mughal art. Horizontal stripe, one of my current favorites. See the print. Why these are a bit on the higher side? 8900 price, 8900. It's a beautiful block in digital, pure tussar, very smart looking. This is the pallu. These blocks, to cut out these blocks and then do the digital printing, it takes a lot of time, lot of effort and lot of experimentation time. The whole process is a very lengthy process. This is the blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece in contrast. But once you wear this, it will give a very fashionable look. Pure tussar digital. Product number 4. Navy blue 4A, and the same thing in black 4B. Again, this I'm not opening much. This is the blouse piece. The same sari, that was in navy blue, this is in black. Now coming to 5. Zari border, heavy quality tussar in bottle green with Varley block print in both the borders. Solid color in monotone bottle green color, matte zari border. See the print, it's village block print, folk print. Pallu 6950, zari woven in between the pallu. This is the zari weave. 6950. Very elegant look. In fact, very classy color also. And here is the blouse piece. The blouse will have zari weave in stripe, pin stripe with this geometric block in the blouse. Make big sleeves, it will look very smart. And this is the sari. I'll show you more colors in this. Traditional block in pure tussar, heavy quality desi tussar, 6950. This is in red. Product number 6, red. See, pallu. All the saris I'm showing you closely so that you can check out the prints properly. The color is rustish red color, 6950. All polished and ready to ship. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and message the WhatsApp in the number provided. Once the payment is done, we will courier it. It's all first come first serve basis. For additional services like if you want the tailoring to be done or any other services, then it will take some time to ship, otherwise we are shipping. This is the blouse piece. Product number 7. Same sari, I am showing you 3 colors, all single piece, so first come first serve basis. This is in peacock blue color. See the print. Since it's a broad print on both the borders, the body I have left it solid. The pallu, same price, 6950, product number 7. Desi tussar. And here comes the blouse piece. Product number 8, similar tussar but in a different print, coffee color. It's a gorgeous print. It's slightly narrower zari border. Gorgeous combination, actually red and coffee, it's a very unique combination also. See the pallu. Product number 8, 6950 with rich pallu, again with zari weaves in the pallu. No repeat orders for this because single piece, and even if you give the I understand that you are willing to pay me advance, but what happens, the exact dye color doesn't come in this, so then it becomes an obligation for you to purchase even if the color is not the same. So that's why we are not taking orders for this. This is the blouse piece. It has fine pin zari stripe. With the floral block similar to that of the pallu. I love this saree. Now product number 9. For traditional combinations, 6950 again. Check out the pallu. Zari weave, zari border. The block is in red and rust color combination. Red and rust. Ideal for gifting in-laws and mothers, even for anybody who wants to wear it in their family wedding or something. No black is there, so it's can be worn in any occasion also. See the print. It's a lovely uncommon block print. This is the blouse piece in red. This is the saree. Product number 10, similar fabric in a sober print, 6950, product number 10, rust and black combination. See the leaf print throughout the body. This is the border. This is the pallu. Please like, share and subscribe the video so that you can get regular notifications, and also it will reach out to more people. It will be very helpful to me and for the whole unit who is working on this small scale industry. This is the blouse piece in rust with, of course, the border. All same price, 6950. And let me tell you about this one. This is a kalamkari in tussar, soft lightweight tussar, pallu, kalamkari print, 6990 with blouse piece, 6990 tussar with blouse piece. Product number 11. Even for little elderly people who wants to avoid brighter shades, this is a very classy combination in moss green and mehendi green color. Zari border again, heavy quality tussar, pallu 6950. It is a kalamkari block floral, 6950, product number 11. We have lower range printed tussar also without zari border, but limited stock, but these are very exclusive one and very fresh prints. This is the blouse piece. See the lovely color in the blouse piece with the zari pin stripe there is there in the blouse piece, and this is the sari. With this blouse, it will look very exclusive. I love this color in the blouse. The dye has come out really uncommon. Same one, I'll show you another color, number 12. Number 12, this is in rust. Same one. International shippings are also on, so you can those who want they can place the order. We'll just courier it to you. See the sari, it's a very smart looking sari, but at the same time sober and very wearable. Sometimes we don't want to wear too bright colors. See the blouse color has come out so well. Same price, pure tussar. Now I'll show you, see why these are slightly on the higher side. See the print. It seems as if it is thread work. The Kashmiri shawls that we see, the saris that we see in Kashmiri saris, it just seems as if it is thread work, but it is digital print. See how exclusive, and see the combination. Very smart looking and very sober. 8900, 8,900 rupees. Digital block print in pure tussar. See the border. I'll just show you closely how lovely the border is. all the shading has come out in the print. It seems as if it is Parsi work is done, but it is totally in print. And the blouse will have a self floral print in light pista color. And of course the border will be there. Number 14. Coming to again sober one. Paisley print in grey and black, shades of grey. Pallu 6990, product number 14, 6990. It has self-check weave in this actually. The tussar itself has a self-check weave. I'll see how I'm showing you closely. It's pure tussar, but it has a self-check woven, check tussar, self-woven. You'll see how when I show you the blouse. This is the sari. This is the blouse. The blouse is in zari stripe with the border. $6990. Again zari border tussar. And tussar is one fabric we all love. These are all sustainable fabric and all pure and handmade. See the print? It's pink color, baby pink, olive and burgundy color combination throughout, paisley printed. This is the pallu, 6990. 6990, this has little ghicha and zari weave in the pallu. Soft, flowy with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Product number 16, mustard. This too is in self-check tussar. The self-check also looks very smart actually. Mustard and coffee combination. 6990. There's a description part where the color and the prices are all mentioned. In case I miss out a price or you have confusion in the color, then you can just check out the description part. There's the Facebook link that is also going, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these pictures, still pictures will be uploaded. You can check out the albums for more options. There's the Insta page also, which you can like also. This is the sari. We keep uploading in the Facebook page albums. Those are also different saris. Also these programs sari will also be uploaded, so you can watch those also. Very smart color combination in mustard, self-check, pure tussar, printed tussar. Now the ones that I am wearing, I'll show you all the colors that is available. Product number 17. This is a temple zari border tussar. 6350, 6,350 rupees. 6350. See the print. Sea green color combination with grey. Pallu 6350. Soft, very comfortable and very wearable, manageable, and doesn't need, just wear 3-4 times, sometimes polish, and then again wear 3-4 times, then give for wash. That's it. These are all polished and very good quality zari also. See the zari. And here goes the blouse piece. Solid color blouse piece because the sari is fully printed. Product number 17. Now product number 18, magenta, pink, magenta combination. Quickly I'll show you the prints, whatever is there, like the one that I'm wearing. See the pallu and the blouse. The blouse has self print in it. I'm sure it's clear. This is the blouse print. This is the pallu part and the whole body is similar print with temple zari border. 6350. Sari is 6,350 rupees. The previous one I showed you in sea green. This is in sky blue color. See the print. Sober small print. Sky blue parrot green with zari woven pallu. 6350 and of course similar self print blouse piece. Product number 20. Zari border. I've given it a ajrak look. Mustard border. See the pallu, so smart print. And the colors in wine color and mustard. 6350 wine mustard combination with pink block. Zari woven pallu and mustard blouse piece. See the mustard blouse piece. Closely I'll show you the print once more, and this is the pallu once more. Same sari I'm also wearing, similar kind of a sari. It's in slate color. The pallu, slate color with discharge print, block print, discharge block. See, it's a lovely reverse block. See the border, slate color 6350 and the blouse piece will be slate color. This color blouse with the border. Slate color blouse with the border. And the last two. Turquoise blue, maroon and off-white color combination. Pallu. And this is the sari. $6350. Here is the blouse piece in light coffee color with border. The last one is exactly same to what I'm wearing. It's in brown. I'm wearing slate color 6350. The last one of this episode. Keep watching, and we can visit our stores. We are open from 12 to 3 till the lockdown is over. Brown color, light chocolate brown color. Beautiful color combination, very classy once again, very elegant look. 6350. The earthy tone. This tussar in earthy tones gives a very, even if it's earth colors, it gives a very rich look after wearing. Blouse piece. It's exactly same that grey color I'm wearing. And in between, let me tell you about my neck piece. The upper part will have the black balls and the lower part will have this rice pearls. Very smart looking. You can twist it and wear it the opposite way also, or you can just wear it this way also, anyway. But this is, I think, looks very smart. And it goes with a lot of sari. It's 2550, 2550 rupees. The sari price I've already told you. It's 6350. This is once again, this is the sari. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. Namaskar.